Welcome at forextrading.com. Today is 11th April 2011 and right now is 2 minutes after 4 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. Let's take a look at important news coming out today. I can't see nothing particular that might be changing the market, the volatility of the market today, but there are some members of Federal Open Market Committee speaking today, so it might bring some volatility to the market. So if they will say something that unexpectedly will come out to the market, like information about interest rates, it might be doing some changes in some particular time. So please notice that when they speak, it might be happening at the market. So let's take a look at charts. Right now we are looking at 4-hour S&P 500 contracts. Let's make it a little bit more clear. Okay, so seemed to me that market stopped out a little bit with this growing part of the trend. So right now we are looking at little dome coming out, and the Friday expectations, mine expectations were a little bit to the upside, but really it didn't happen. So if somebody was entering the market here after this little test at 1-hour chart, it would be stopped out at this level somewhere around here. So the market came lower through support resistance level, but it came back aggressively. What it tells us that market is really in upper growing trend, and let's keep with that. So any volatile downside movement might be too aggressive to entering the market, especially if somebody's trading in medium and long term. We should wait till the market breaks down a little bit or take a breath. The breath could be finishing at any moment and might be coming back to the aggressively uptrend growing. So let's give it a try. Wait till the next buyers will come in to the market. So it could be something like this when the market comes down a little bit to recent or last support resistance point and go back to the upside aggressively. Or otherwise market will go further in this rectangle pattern and will break down to the upside and continue the trend. This is the most probable movement for this trending instrument right now. Looking at 4-hour chart of euro dollar, right now we see the trend is accelerating aggressively. Right now we are in this moment when it is not really attractive to come into the market right now. Maybe we should wait for something to happen. The pattern or some bigger breath coming down to the market and then enter the market. Anything that might be more interesting than this thing here. Looking at pound also right now at 4-hour chart, it doesn't really draw anything interesting to come into the market. This downside movement might be volatile and aggressive, but it isn't sure enough right now to enter the market short. We can take a look at this situation at 30-minute chart. That market really came lower from the triangle pattern and right now is moving pretty volatile. I can see this movement pip after pip, and it is getting more nervous. So we will see if the market will go down and then continue going down, or the market will stop out very soon, for example, and start to move higher and higher. I already mentioned like a few days, many weeks before, that pound is has very different trend right now than the euro dollar. As you see, euro dollar is very simple to tell what the trend is, and the pound dollar at 4-hour chart, the trend is changing every few days or every couple of weeks. So between those moves we see the breakdown to the lower side and the continuation, I mean the change trading and continuation to the upside. And right now we see the breakout for the upside, and it might be going down again as the trend isn't really clear in some longer time. I mean the daily chart, you see? We see here the triangle, reverse triangle, that is telling us the trend might be established in the future, or it might be followed with the bigger daily trend growing. But I'm not sure about that right now, so I'm gonna go with those short and medium term practice. So let's get back again to 30-minute chart when the pound is showing it is going down, but it's nothing aggressively yet. I mean, if the situation will break down through the recent support resistance and accelerate from this level, it might be potentially risk rewarding. But right now it doesn't really showing that it will happen, so we will wait till the next buyers or next sellers come in to the market more aggressively. Let's take a euro dollar chart. If we see something interesting here, at 30-minute chart, it is really slowing down right now, so I can't see nothing special, nothing particular to enter the market right now. The market will do some consolidation pattern like rectangle or triangle, or will go down a little bit to some support resistance or lower to take a breath, and then the next buyers will come into the market, and it will be more interesting than coming in this situation right here. But if the market consolidates, take a breath, think about the price that is happening right now, that it might be comfortable for many traders, and the market will start to move significantly higher and higher. It might be interesting for us to consider another market entry to the upside. So thank you very much for watching. I hope you will see some more interesting videos like trades example at my website, and I will hope to meet you sometime at our online training program. Thank you very much and have a nice day.